Hey everybody, welcome back to the Spartan Investigations YouTube channel. My name is Preston Hawker. I'm a licensed private investigator, personal protection specialist, and vice president of Spartan Investigations and Executive Protection. It's hard to believe, but the holidays really are right around the corner, and that means a lot of families are about to hit the road. We're about to jump on flights and go see our loved ones. That's exactly why I wanted to put this video together, because this time of year, privacy and security often take a back seat to convenience. And I get it. You just want to relax, you want to enjoy the trip, you want to go make some memories, but a few simple steps can keep you and your personal information, your identity, and your home a lot safer. In this video, I'm going to break this down into 3 parts: before you go, while you travel, and when you get back. So grab some paper, get ready to take some notes. If you find some value in this video at any point, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and send this video to that family text thread that I know you all have. If you do, it just might save your Uncle John and your Aunt Deb a hassle of having to deal with an identity theft around the holidays. Now, let's get into this video. This is where most people make mistakes before they ever leave their house. If you want to safeguard your family, the first thing you need to do is limit what you post online. If you're telling everybody where you're going, when you're leaving, and how long you're going to be gone, you're basically telling the entire world that your house is empty.
A reunion or something?
Oh, no, my husband's brother transferred to Paris last summer, and both of his kids are still going to school here, and I guess he missed the whole family. He's giving us all this trip to Paris for the holiday so we can be together.
You're taking a trip to Paris?
Yes, we hope to leave tomorrow morning.
Excellent.
Second, audit your digital footprint. Go into your social media settings, turn off your location history, disable options that let people find your posts by city or tag you automatically. You'd be shocked at just how much gets shared without you realizing it. Third, use a secondary email or phone number for your travel. If you're booking through less known websites for hotel or car rentals, don't give out your primary contact information. Create a separate Gmail or Google Voice number specifically for all of your travel logistics. And finally, prep your devices. That means update your phone, create some strong passwords, and install a reputable VPN before you leave. This is where most privacy threats happen in real time. At this stage, you'll need to be cautious with the public Wi-Fi networks. Airport, cafe, and hotel Wi-Fi is rarely secure, so you should always assume anyone could be watching your online traffic. Use your VPN or use a hotspot from your phone to connect your laptop to the internet whenever possible. And if you keep your Bluetooth on, like all the time, no matter if you're connected to anything or not, it's actually a really easy way for you to become a target to cyber criminals. The same thing goes for AirDrop for all of you iPhone users. So keep it on contacts only or go ahead and disable it altogether. And for anybody that's going to be flying, believe it or not, your boarding pass barcode isn't just a series of random lines. It actually contains your name, your itinerary, and even your frequent flyer details. So you're not going to want to just post that online. You don't even want to toss it in a public trash can. You want to treat it like the rest of your trash that might contain some sensitive information. You want to hold on to it, take it home, and shred it there. Lastly, be mindful of what you say in public. If you're on the phone in an airport or at the hotel, lower your voice when you're sharing some personal details like names, dates, and especially like account numbers. As a professional investigator, I can tell you people really do eavesdrop. And I know people eavesdrop because I'm those kinds of people. One more thing, and I know I said lastly already, but there is one more thing. Don't forget hotel safety. Never say your room number out loud in public. Put the do not disturb sign on the door when you're out because it makes it look like your room is occupied. I know that's going to be inconvenient because your room might not get serviced, but that's the thing about safety and security. Sometimes it's a little inconvenient, but you know what's really inconvenient? Not being safe and not being secure. Now your trip might be over, but your digital footprint isn't. This might be another inconvenience, but when you get home, you want to consider changing your passwords. If you've logged into anything over public Wi-Fi, there's a chance somebody has that information. So you want to play it safe and rotate your passwords for your email, for your social media, and especially for any banking apps that you logged into. Next, You want to check for some tracking devices. If your phone or bag has ever been out of your possession, scan it for unknown Bluetooth pairings or AirTags that might have been following you. You also want to review your financial statements. Skimmers and compromised ATMs really still are out there, especially in airports and gas stations. You want to look for small, unrecognized charges. A lot of fraudsters aren't stealing single large lump sums. They're actually getting dozens or more small withdrawals and flying under the radar for longer periods of time. So if anything in your bank statement doesn't look familiar, it doesn't make sense, investigate it. And if you need to contact your credit card company or your bank, don't waste time, don't hesitate, just go ahead and do so. Then, and only then, when you're home, when your family is safe, then you can post your photos. You're still going to get likes, you're still going to get the comments, you're still going to get all those shares, but you're going to be able to do all of that from the safety of your own home. Protecting your privacy while traveling, especially during the holiday season, isn't about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. The same mindset that keeps you safe on the road will keep you safer online. If this video helped you, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments one travel privacy tip that you use that other people ought to know about. Do you have any gear or tech that you think other people need to know about, or gear or tech that maybe I need to review? Again, my name is Preston Hawker. I'm with Spartan Investigations and Executive Protection, helping you stay smart, helping you stay safe and situationally aware no matter where you go. I'll see you in the next video.